Here we have a 1966 Mustang. Not quite sure what motor it has in it. It's got a pretty stout motor in it. Just run a nice 3-inch exhaust. Probably haven't seen one like this before. We ran it out the sides with some nice, they're called Speedy Boom Tubes. Don't see these too often, NASCAR style. Definitely pretty tight, pretty low to the ground. We put some Flowmaster FX mufflers on there. Came right off the headers. Put a nice custom H-pipe. Pretty tight. Not for the everyday driver, that's for sure. Turned out pretty nice. It's all said and done. Definitely going to rumble, so I'm going to do an outside video. Can't really see what it sounds like till we get it outside there. So definitely a little different. Don't see these every day, so we just want to let you see our nice custom work here. The arms are in the way, but you kind of get the idea, especially when we get it outside. So do a little walk around outside where they're running.